Hello guys, welcome back to Opt for Organic. If you are trying to lose weight and that stubborn fat around your belly, you must have heard about the term metabolism or metabolic rate and how important it is for weight loss. But do we really understand what it actually is and why we need to increase our metabolic rate in order to lose weight, and what can you really do to boost your metabolism? I will be answering all these questions in this video, and I'll be showing 4 powerful drinks you can prepare at home to boost your metabolism. So before we begin, quickly press that subscribe button and bell icon first. If nothing else, it will surely boost my enthusiasm rate. So let's get started. Metabolism is a chemical process which occurs in our body in order to run our body and maintain life. In simpler words, metabolism process converts whatever we eat or drink into energy. Whenever we consume anything, our metabolic rate increases and a good amount of calories get used in this process of digestion. The higher our metabolic rate is, the higher are our chances of burning those calories and losing weight. So it is important to increase our metabolic rate from time to time. Now I'll show you 4 metabolism boosting drinks that have helped me in cutting that stubborn fat. Boil 1 liter of water in a pot. Once it comes to the boiling point, remove from the heat. Now add 2 green tea dips. If you don't have green tea dips, you can also use 2 tablespoons of loose green tea and cover it with a lid. Let the green tea get infused for 2 to 3 minutes and 5 minutes for the loose tea, and strain the mixture. In this, add 7 to 8 leaves of spearmint, 5 to 6 leaves of holy basil, and 1 entire lemon. Cut it in thin slices like this. Once it cools down, fill this in a glass pitcher or bottle and put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Drink this water throughout the day. This drink is very powerful in terms of boosting our metabolism and losing weight, as the green tea converts fat into free fatty acids, which increases the fat loss process. Apart from that, it is a very refreshing summer drink. Green tea provides antioxidants, and drinking it cold will add that boost to our metabolism. Boil 1 glass of water. In a mug, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with mother. Use plastic or glass or wooden spoon only when you are using apple cider vinegar, as it reacts with metals. Squeeze half a lemon to this. Add 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey and stir. Now add a pinch of each: ground cinnamon, ground chili pepper, ground black pepper, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder to it, and stir. Now add lukewarm water to it and drink this mixture. I drink this every alternate days, but right now it is already 40 degrees Celsius here, and drinking this will further increase my body heat. So I am altering it with a glass of cold water with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with mother, and a pinch of each ground cinnamon and Himalaya pink salt or rock salt or sea salt. Squeeze half a lemon, add your preferred sweetener as per taste. Drink this half an hour prior to your meals for added benefits. This is the most effective metabolism booster, but be cautious as it makes our body temperature super warm. So if you are suffering from high blood pressure, then you should consult your doctor first. You can drink this on every alternate day or at least 2 days a week. If you feel it is causing you any kind of discomfort like acne or ulcers, stop using it immediately. Apple cider vinegar is known for its metabolism boosting qualities. Capsaicin in chili pepper has a fat burning potential. Also, it helps boost your metabolic rate. Piperine in black pepper also helps to speed up the metabolism. Soak 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and basil seeds overnight. Next day, add these soaked seeds in 1 liter of water. Keep sipping this water throughout the day. If you wish, you can also add lemon to it to make it more effective and to add flavor. For added benefits, drink 1 glass of lukewarm water with 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds or sabja seeds and juice of half a lemon on an empty stomach. Chia seeds and basil seeds help to speed up our metabolism because of their high vitamin B and omega-3 content. Basil seeds, also known as sabja in India, are an alternative of chia seeds. They have almost similar properties except the chia seeds contain almost double the amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Brew your coffee first and add 1 tablespoon of cold pressed coconut oil to it. Drink this once a day, either in the morning or half an hour before your workout. To get a well blended taste, I stir coffee powder with a little bit of hot water and coconut oil first, like this. And once it becomes a smooth paste, I add warm water to it. Black coffee is recommended by many dietitians as an alternative to coffee with milk or tea with milk, as it is an excellent metabolism booster. But I personally wouldn't suggest you to continue it for a long period, as coffee contains high caffeine content and it is a great stimulator which stimulates our nerves to provide us energy and alertness boost, but then it makes us dependent on it and can leave us feeling energyless and lethargic when we discontinue it or reduce the quantity. Coconut oil has medium chain triglycerides, which is why it gets rapidly absorbed and delivered to the liver. Remember, these drinks will help you to boost your metabolism and fat loss process, but this alone is not enough. You need to do at least 20 to 30 minutes of exercise for 4 to 5 days a week to see the visible difference. You also need to control your calorie intake in order to burn that accumulated fat deposits. In this video, I have only covered drinks which help us to boost our metabolism, but there are foods and superfoods too which help us to boost our metabolic rate, but we'll talk about it in another video. I hope through this video I have at least encouraged you enough to start a new journey towards a fit and healthy lifestyle, if at all you haven't started yet. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified about my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.